Britain in the 1960s was supposed to be the future. Families were earning more, roads were improving, and car ownership was becoming a reality for millions. But not every new car delivered on its promises. Some rusted almost immediately, others broke down without warning, and a few became so infamous that owners spent years regretting the purchase. Today on UKTorque, we're counting down 10 of the worst British cars families regretted buying in the 1960s. And trust us, the number one car is almost impossible to believe. Let's begin. Number 10, Morris Oxford. The Morris Oxford looked like the perfect family saloon. Spacious, respectable, and backed by a trusted name. Unfortunately, owners soon discovered serious problems. Rust appeared quickly around the wheel arches and sills, while fuel economy often disappointed. What seemed like a sensible purchase frequently turned into an expensive headache. Number 9, Singer Gazelle. The Singer Gazelle promised a touch of luxury at an affordable price. The chrome trim and stylish interior impressed buyers, but underneath, the story was very different. Oil consumption was high, performance was sluggish, and hidden corrosion often became a major problem before owners even noticed it. Number 8, Austin Cambridge. For many British families, the Austin Cambridge seemed like the safe choice. It was comfortable and widely available. But overheating issues, oil leaks, and poor interior durability quickly damaged its reputation. Many owners found themselves spending far more on repairs than they ever expected. Number 7, Hillman Minx. The Hillman Minx sold in huge numbers throughout the decade. It looked modern and practical, but reliability problems soon emerged. Overheating engines, carburetor troubles, and rapidly spreading rust turned family holidays into stressful experiences. The gap between advertising and reality was enormous. Number 6, Vauxhall Viva HA. When the Vauxhall Viva arrived, buyers loved its fresh styling and compact size. But the excitement didn't last long. Cold start issues became common, and the bodywork rusted at an alarming rate. Many examples deteriorated so badly that they became uneconomical to repair after only a few years. Number 5, Austin 1100. The Austin 1100 was praised as a revolutionary design and became one of Britain's best-selling cars. Yet ownership wasn't always enjoyable. The advanced hydroelastic suspension could be costly to repair, while rust attacked floors and body seams relentlessly. What began as innovation often ended in frustration. Number 4, Triumph Herald. The Triumph Herald certainly had charm. Its distinctive styling and tight turning circle made it popular with families. However, the rear suspension design could create unpredictable handling at higher speeds. Combined with electrical issues and mechanical wear, the Herald earned a reputation that wasn't always flattering. Number 3, Standard Vanguard Phase 3. The Standard Vanguard looked like a serious, full-sized family car. Buyers expected quality and durability. Instead, many faced water leaks, corrosion, and gearbox troubles. Repairs were expensive, and owners who hoped for prestige often found themselves dealing with constant maintenance bills. Number 2, Hillman Imp. The Hillman Imp was meant to challenge the Mini and showcase British engineering at its best. Sadly, early examples suffered from chronic overheating and cooling system failures. Reliability concerns spread quickly, damaging the car's reputation almost from launch. For many families, the Imp became a lesson in disappointment. Number 1, Reliant Regal. At number 1 is the Reliant Regal. This three-wheeled microcar became one of the most controversial vehicles of its era. Its lightweight construction and unusual layout helped keep costs low, but stability was a constant concern. The Regal became famous for all the wrong reasons and remains one of the most mocked British vehicles ever built. For countless owners, it was a purchase they wished they could take back. The 1960s gave Britain some fantastic cars, but it also produced plenty of disappointments. From rust-prone family saloons to unreliable engineering experiments, these cars reminded buyers that a shiny showroom model didn't always guarantee a happy ownership experience. Which of these cars surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoy classic British motoring history, don't forget to subscribe to UKTorque for more forgotten automotive stories.